Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video. Got some items from Lowe's as well as Home Depot, some garden items that are behind me, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? So picked up some items for my wife's garden. The roses we got at Lowe's, these two rose trees right here, the amend, the two pots, and all of the feed, Equinox iron and zinc, Equinox 10-10-5 grow, 1 gallon, and 4 1 gallons of vitamin B1, plus minor elements and creatine agent. This has vitamin B1, iron, zinc, and magnesium, and cleaning agents in it. So the roses were picked up at Lowe's. This one right here, the camera doesn't really do it justice. Most of these petals are not pink. They're actually of a fuchsia color. See if I turn the light off. There you go. They're more of a fuchsia color, kind of like a purplish pink. And some of them are darker than others. These are pretty old. This flower, there's actually 3 of them. Well, there was 4 of them right here. And here's a newer one. So this one is called, this little one is called an Intrigue Rose. And it says full sun, 3 to 5 feet apart, 3 to 5 feet tall, 4 feet wide. Fertilize in spring just before new growth begins. Protect at 15 degrees, so that's the cold hardness or hardiness. Keep moist until completely established. Water deeply, 7 to 10 day intervals. This one was $37.98. What else is on this tag? This tag's got a little more information. 3 to 4 feet high, 3 to 4 feet wide, spacing 3 to 4 feet. This tag says zone 6, 0 to -10. This tag says protect at 15 degrees. So the tags, both tags say Intrigue Rose. Grow 3 together. It says spring, summer, fall, winter is not on that list. The colors are different also, but that's the price of this rose. Spring and summer is fertilization. Check for bee hazards, warning, and pollinator precautions on pesticide labels before application. Just information on how to dig a hole. This one, to give a better view, there you go, from the light. So there's some, looks like the leaves that are dying off are kind of a purple. Here's there's one right here, and there's one right there. If I turn the light on for you guys, these are kind of a purple. And this one right here is kind of this one's a light pink. There's several buds on these. There's probably 3 to 5 buds on each. I mean, this has tons of buds. The reason we picked this one up is yesterday was Mother's Day. It was just a Mother's Day present. The other reason I picked them up is this one was completely dry. So this soil was completely dry when we grabbed them. My wife ended up, and the container was pretty smushed. This one was $59.98. They gave us 10% off because it was completely dry and how smashed the container was. My wife just put it in a little plastic, kitchen container and decided to water it because it was way worse than this one, which was nice of them. So we ended up getting this one for like 53 or 55 bucks or something like that. had a rough ride because this brought these home in the 4Runner, and the 4Runner is definitely not tall enough for this. But we ended up laying both of these down, and they survived a majority. There's flowers down here too, but so this one's got more of this really darkish purple with this kind of like red look. If I turn the light off, there you go. So the outside petals are this kind of lightish purplish pink, and these center, sorry the camera doesn't do it justice, but these are kind of this like really darkish red. They have like pink lines with dark red streaks in them. And it's kind of hard to show that, but so these two pots, so all the amend, the pots, and all of this was from Home Depot. These two pots are actually for the Playboy roses outside. Hey Zora. Seriously. So here's the Playboy roses outside. These are the Playboy rose trees. Here's another rose. That is the Burst of Joy. This one over here is the Double Delight. So, got a bunch of roses out here. It's just a quick little video. So we picked these two up for the garden. We're going to end up having to get 2 more of these pots for these 2 roses. Bought those pots for the Playboy roses. Grabbed what we needed. Then found these 2 roses. Now we need to buy 2 more pots. But, you know, it is what it is. These 2 pots are $40 a piece. They're $39.98. The amend bags are partially for the pots as well as, you know, what's in the yard as well. And this is just fertilizer that my wife seems to like a lot. She's been using this 10-10-5 and all the plants like it, so decided to grab another one. That's all, the only one they had, and grabbed a couple of the other ones. We're going to be using these in the Milwaukee switch tanks, so I figured it'd be just good to pick up several of them. But, you know, it's just a quick video, nothing like huge or anything. I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. These roses are pretty. They'll look good in the garden. There's a crap ton of buds on them. I've had a lot of good luck because the Playboy roses also came from, the Playboy rose trees also came from Lowe's as well. They're nice and healthy looking. The stems are this deep purple. So, you know, there's a couple spots that we need to trim off, but my wife will do videos on it. She possibly could do a video on how after these flowers die off, you know, how you can trim them to make new flowers grow back. You know, maybe she could do videos like that. Appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe as always. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.